We're going to calculate slope using the formula. So we're going to determine the slope of a line that passes through these 2 points. You could say point A with coordinates 4, 5, and point B if you wish. And so 4 and 5, coordinates 4 and 5 of each one of these blocks are 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have point A right here. And point B would be -2 and -2. So we go back 2, down 2, -2 right here. And we have, this would be point A, it's point B. And the slope between the two, we could see if we have a grid, we could just count the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That'd be 7 over. And the run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 6. But we have a slope formula, and that is that the slope of AB, m of AB, subscript AB, equals y2 subtract y1 over x2 subtract x1. And we could name these points whatever way we wish. This could be x1, y1, and this could be x2, y2, or vice versa. A could be x2, y2, and B could be x1, y1. So we have here y2 is -2 subtract 5 over x2 is -2 subtract 4. This would give us -7 over -6, which of course equals 7 over 6. As long as the point, notice how this is the x and y here of one point, and this is the x and y of the other point. And that's the main thing to keep important when you're using the formula. If you wish, you can pause this video and try the second one on your own. I'll continue. I'm going to name this one now x2, y2, and this point here, x1, y1. Once again, you could put it on the coordinate grid and find it. But if you're given 2 points, you can find the slope using the slope formula. So we could say the slope equals y2 subtract y1, which is the change in the y coordinate, x2 subtract x1, which we equal to 5 subtract 1 over 0 subtract -5, which is going to be 4 over 5. Let's just put it on this grid and just check. We have 0. Let me get another color here. We have 0 and 5 as the first coordinate, so 0 and 5 right here. And our second coordinate is -5 and 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. And let's just check. Here's our line, somewhat. Here's our line, and we can check our slope. Our rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, and our run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 over 5, which we were right.